Hi friends, here is electric pancake maker. You can see the wire you touched here. Then we are making it. We need to put the first butter and then make the pancake. It will be ready in few minutes. I'll show you another one. Okay friends? Look at them, how they're looking so beautiful. Here is, you can select the temperature. On and off button and select your time set temperature.
Bobby?
Ready to eat.
Yeah, I'll have a plain one.
Huh? Mama?
You want it?
No.
Yeah, that's good. You know everyone can see.
Master Chef is doing pancakes. Dr. Master Chef. You can spread with that stick butter.
You want to see me stuff on my face?
Good. This adapter works. You can charge phones, cameras. It will work with a cooker, rice cooker, and a pancake. Everything, all in very handy, built-in adapter. When you are not using, you can just push down. When you want to use it, you can open. It clicks downstairs. You can plug in and use it. Handy built-in adapter. Handy, isn't it? Technology friends, technology. It's cooking. You can see the bubbles on the side. Beautiful pancake. Look how beautifully it's cooking. Easy to make and enjoy the pancakes. What's there?
Technology, friends.
Look how nice. I hope you like watching these beautiful pancake making things. Thank you friends. See you again.